Welcome to today's video. Imagine traveling hundreds of miles in minutes, gliding silently at airline speeds without ever leaving the ground. That's the promise of ultra-fast vacuum tube trains, better known as the Hyperloop. We'll explore how this futuristic transport works, the technology behind it, and why it could change travel forever. From reduced travel times to eco-friendly design, this is the future on rails, or rather, in tubes. Stick around, enjoy the ride, and don't forget to subscribe. Number 5. Speed. One of the most remarkable features of the Hyperloop is its incredible speed potential, reaching over 700 miles per hour in testing conditions. This is made possible by its vacuum tube design, which removes most of the air resistance, allowing pods to travel with minimal friction. Magnetic levitation technology lifts the pod off the track, eliminating wheel contact and further reducing drag. At such high speeds, journeys that typically take hours could be reduced to just minutes. For example, a trip between Los Angeles and San Francisco, which normally takes about 6 hours by car, could be completed in under 40 minutes using Hyperloop technology. This level of speed rivals that of airplanes, but without the delays and environmental impact associated with air travel. The consistent, high velocity of the Hyperloop also ensures predictable travel time, as it's unaffected by traffic, weather, or most other disruptions that slow traditional transport. Engineers are continuously refining the system to push the limits of speed while ensuring passenger safety and comfort. If fully implemented, Hyperloop could revolutionize how we think about long-distance travel, making ultra-fast transit a standard rather than a luxury. Number 4. Energy. The Hyperloop is designed to operate primarily on renewable electricity, making it a groundbreaking step towards sustainable high-speed travel. Solar panels mounted along the length of the vacuum tubes can generate a significant portion of the system's required energy, while additional power can come from wind farms or other green energy sources. By relying on renewables instead of fossil fuels, the Hyperloop aims to drastically cut greenhouse gas emissions compared to airplanes and conventional trains. The vacuum tube environment also reduces air resistance, meaning pods require far less energy to maintain high speeds. This efficiency allows the system to transport passengers or cargo over long distances, while consuming minimal power. Energy storage systems, such as advanced batteries, ensure a consistent power supply even during cloudy or windless conditions. Regenerative braking technology can capture and reuse energy every time the pods slow down, further increasing efficiency. This closed-loop approach to power usage positions the Hyperloop not just as a fast and futuristic transport option, but also as a model for eco-friendly engineering. By combining renewable generation, energy efficiency, and advanced storage, the Hyperloop demonstrates how transportation can be both high-performance and environmentally responsible. Number 3. Comfort. One of the standout features of ultra-fast vacuum tube trains like the Hyperloop is the exceptional comfort they offer to passengers. Unlike traditional high-speed trains or airplanes, the Hyperloop operates inside a sealed vacuum tube, which eliminates most external disturbances such as wind resistance, turbulence, and track vibrations. This results in an incredibly smooth ride that feels almost effortless, even at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour. The passenger pods are designed with advanced suspension systems to absorb any minor shocks, ensuring that riders experience minimal movement during travel. The quiet environment inside the pod is another key factor. Since there are no open tracks and minimal air friction, the noise levels remain far lower than conventional transport. This makes it easier for passengers to relax, read, work, or even sleep without distraction. Additionally, the cabin layout is expected to provide spacious seating, ergonomic designs, and climate-controlled interiors to maximize comfort for long or short journeys. With these features combined, the Hyperloop promises a travel experience that is not only fast, but also stress-free, making it an appealing alternative for those who value both speed and relaxation in their trips. Number 2. Safety. One of the key advantages of ultra-fast vacuum tube trains, such as the Hyperloop, is their high level of safety. The entire system operates within sealed, low-pressure tubes, which means there is no exposure to external weather conditions like rain, snow, or strong winds that can affect traditional trains and airplanes. By removing the possibility of road or track intersections, the risk of collisions with vehicles, animals, or debris is virtually eliminated. The pods travel in a controlled environment, where they are guided by advanced magnetic levitation or air-bearing systems. ensuring precise movement and stability at extremely high speeds. Automated control systems continuously monitor pod operations, adjusting speed, braking, and navigation without relying on human reaction time, significantly reducing the likelihood of human error. Additionally, the separation of pods by safe time intervals prevents any chance of rear-end collisions. Emergency protocols include controlled deceleration and backup power systems to ensure passengers' safety, even in the rare case of a technical failure. The combination of advanced engineering, isolation from external hazards, and automated monitoring creates a transport environment far safer than most existing modes of travel, making safety one of the strongest selling points of the Hyperloop concept. Number 1. Future. The Hyperloop represents a transformative step in the future of transportation, potentially replacing short-haul flights for millions of travelers. By operating inside low-pressure vacuum tubes, pods can travel at airline speeds, but without the delays, emissions, and noise associated with airplanes. For journeys under 1,000 kilometers, the Hyperloop could cut travel times dramatically, turning a several-hour flight, including airport procedures, into a direct trip lasting less than an hour. Unlike airplanes, which require large airports and significant runway space, Hyperloop stations can be built closer to city centers, making them more accessible for daily commuters and travelers alike. This convenience could shift passenger preference away from air travel, especially for regional routes. Additionally, the system's reliance on renewable electricity aligns with global sustainability goals, reducing carbon footprints in ways the aviation industry still struggles to match. The futuristic design also offers a smoother and quieter ride, adding comfort to speed. Countries and private companies are already exploring pilot projects, and once implemented, the Hyperloop could redefine the way people think about mid-distance travel. By merging efficiency, eco-friendliness, and advanced engineering, it has the potential to reshape both transportation networks and global connectivity in the decades ahead. Thanks for watching. The Hyperloop isn't just a dream, it's a vision rapidly turning into reality. With its speed, efficiency, and sustainability, it could transform how we connect cities and people. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk about the future of travel. See you next time. Subscribe.